Hi everyone, I'm really glad to see you again on my video lessons. Today we will complete the intermediate level, and this lesson will be consist of complex grammar points, models of deduction and expressing attitude. If you're ready, let's start our lesson. Have you seen Mr. Wilson today? Quyidagi berilgan dialogda taxmin qilish modal fe'llaridan foydalanilgan va ular qora harflar bilan ajratib ko'rsatilgan. Ular must be, might be, can't be. Have you seen Mr. Wilson today? Bugun Mr. Wilsonni ko'rdingmi? No, but his car is gone. He must be at work. Yo'q, lekin uning mashinasi ko'rinmayapti. U ishda bo'lsa kerak. Maybe, but it's Saturday, so he might be visiting his family. Balki, lekin bugun shanba, u oilasi bilan uchrashish uchun ketgan bo'lsa kerak. True, but he can be at home. His lights are off. To'g'ri, lekin u uyda bo'lishi mumkin emas, chunki uning chiroqlari o'chgan. Explanation. Models of deduction are used to express how certain we are about something based on evidence. They are must be, can be, could be, might be. Tushuntirish. Taxmin qilish modal fe'llari dalillarga asoslangan holda biz biron nimaga qanchalik ishonishimiz yoki ishonmasligimizni ko'rsatib beradi. Ular must be, can be, could be, might be. Sarah isn't picking up her phone. Sarah telefonini olmayapti. She must be busy. She mentioned having a meeting today. U band bo'lsa kerak. U bugun uchrashuv borligini aytgan edi. Yeah, but it's already past 6 p.m. She might be on her way home. Ha, lekin allaqachon soat 6 dan o'tdi. U uyga ketayotgan bo'lsa kerak. That's possible, but her phone can be dead. She always keeps it charged. Bu bo'lishi mumkin, lekin uni telefoni o'chgan bo'lishi mumkin emas, chunki u doim zaryadlab yurar edi. Now pause the video and do the exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct modal, must, might or can't. Here you can check your answer. Again, pause the video and do the exercise number 2. Select the correct modal verb to complete the sentences. Here you can check your answer. In today's lesson, we will have reading texts. In today's lesson, we will have some reading passages. Let's read and translate them. It was a rainy evening, and Sarah was relaxing in her living room when she heard a loud noise from the kitchen. Yomg'irli oqshomda Sara mehmonxonada dam olayotgan edi va birdan oshxonadan baland ovozda shovqin eshitildi. That must be the wind pushing the window open, she thought. But when she checked, the wind was closed and glass of water had split on the counter. Lekin u tekshirgani borganda derazalar yopiq edi va stakandagi suv yerga to'kilib ketgan edi. It might have fallen over by itself, she said. O'zidan o'zi to'kilib ketgan bo'lsa kerak, u aytdi. As she cleaned up, the lights flickered, and she grabbed a flashlight, thinking the power might go out soon. U tozalayotganda svetlar yonib o'chdi va u fonarni ushlab o'yladi. Svet yaqinda o'chib qolsa kerak. Just then the doorbell rang. Birozdan so'ng eshik qo'ng'irog'i chalindi. Sarah thought, it can be delivery driver. I didn't order anything. Sarah o'yladi, bu yetkazib beruvchi bo'lsa kerak. Hech narsa buyurtma bermagan edim. When she opened the door, it was her neighborhood Paul holding a tray of cookies. U eshikni ochganida uning qo'shnisi Paul shirinliklar ko'tarib turgan edi. He smiled and said, I thought you might like this on stormy night. U tabassum qildi va aytdi, bunday havoda shirinliklar senga yoqsa kerak. Sarah smiled back and thinking, he must be so kind to do this. Sarah qo'shnisiga tabassum qildi va u haqida yaxshi taassurotga ega bo'ldi. Now pause the video and do the exercise number 1. True or false? Here you can check your answer. Expressing attitude, munosabat bildirish. Apparently, flights to Italy are on sale this week. Aftidan Italiyaga bo'ladigan reyslar bu haftadan sotuvda ko'rinadi. Really, to be honest, I have always wanted to visit Florence. Rostdanmi, to'g'risini aytsam, men doim Florence'ga uchishni orzu qilardim. Presumably, we will need to book quickly before the prices go up. Taxminimcha, biz tezroq buyurtma berishimiz kerak. Narxlar yana ko'tarilib ketmasligidan oldin. Personally, I think we should plan it for spring when it's less crowded. Shaxsiy fikrimcha, biz buni bahor faslida buyurtma berishimiz kerak. Bahor faslida odamlar unchalik gavjum bo'lmaydi. Hopefully, we can find accommodation near city center. Umid qilamanki, biz shahar markazidan yashash uchun joy topa olamiz. Actually, I feel more productive working remotely full-time. Generally, employees prefer a hybrid work model. Obviously, it depends on nature of the work. To be honest, I miss the social aspect of the office sometimes. Presumably, that's because there are fewer distractions at home. Hopefully, we can find balance that works for everyone. Expressing attitude with words refers to how speakers or writers convey their feelings, opinions, or viewpoints about situation, topic, or person. This can be achieved through specific vocabulary, tone, and introductory words that signal to speakers' attitude, helping the listeners or readers understand their perspective more clearly. Personally, to be honest, frankly, apparently, presumably, probably. Now pause the video and do the exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks. Here you can check your answer. It was a busy Monday morning at the office and everyone was discussing their new hybrid work policy. Generally, employees prefer a mix of working from home and the office, the manager said during the meeting. One of the team members, Emily, shared her opinion. Personally, I feel more productive working from home full-time, she explained. The manager nodded and replied. Presumably, that's because there are fewer distractions at home. Emily agreed but added, obviously, it depends on the nature of the work. To be honest, I miss the social aspect of working in the office sometimes. The manager smiled and said, hopefully, this policy will allow everyone to find the balance that works best for them. Videoni to'xtating va quyidagi savollarga og'zaki javob bering. Bu yerda javoblaringizni tekshirib olishingiz mumkin. Now pause the video and do this exercise, true, false, not given questions. Here you can check your answer. This is end of our intermediate lessons. I hope you enjoy learning this level with me. If there is any mistakes, I hope you will correct them and learn by heart. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.